Searching. Yeah. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Sina. Ooh. Hi, welcome to another vlog. At this time, I wanna ask you something. Kapag nakakakita ka ba ng tubig dagat, ano ang mga naiisip mo? Ano bang memories ang naiisip mo? Kasi ako, kapag nakakita ako ng sea waves, especially tabing dagat, naiisip ko ang aking kabataan. We've been waiting for this moment. It's one of our bucket lists to bring our kids here in the sea para ma-experience nila ang waves. Kasi palaging kung saan kami pumupunta ay walang waves. Palaging low tide. So this time there is sand, there are waves. So perfect talaga for them to play and enjoy nature. Kasi as much as possible, mas gusto ko yung talagang, lagi kong inuulit dito sa vlog, na gusto kong mas nai-enjoy nila yung nature kaysa mga material things. 아우 너무 좋다.
이거 건져 이거. 너 저거 뭔지 알았어. 너 뒤에 니 뒤에. 이거.
못 타봐요.
아 이런 셈이지. 한거 찍어.
어떻게 하는 거예요, 어머니? 가져갈 거예요?
집에 가져가.
그대로?
저 고개 왜 한 거야지.
Alam nyo, it took me a bit to believe that I am qualified to be a parent or to be a mom. But now I am, and so you are. The gig doesn't come with a manual, which means we are the manual. I spent so much time on Dr. Google with my first searching for answers to questions that usually started with, is this normal when? Or what do you do when? That I overlooked the little whisper of intuition deep inside me. We are all the exact parents our children need, and our children already know this, and it's time for us to believe it too. Kaya parents, stop doubting yourself, believe in yourself, and by prayers and by God's guidance, we can do it. What are you making?
물 비었던
Mm.
물 비었던 물병 어디 있어? 필요 없는 물병.
I remember a little face looking back at me, waiting to answer the question my daughter or my son already asked 60 times, and legitimately I didn't hear them even once. My mind was on the laundry, dinner, errands, or on juggle schedules, about 100 other things, but none of which include my child at that moment. So sometimes I cannot notice that they have a lot of needs to be addressed, and then our children don't care about our to-do list. They care about our presence. So remember, time is precious. Don't focus on those things you will forget about next week, and don't let it create friction in your relationship. Focus it on what is important, the quality, not the quantity of time and connection with your child and your whole family.